Welcome to Mystery Curtain, where we don't just unbox gadgets, we uncover their hidden potential. Today, we'll dive deep into the features of the latest tech. After spending nearly a month with the OPPO Reno14, I can confidently say that OPPO has delivered a smartphone that feels incredibly balanced across the board. Combining a premium design, reliable performance, impressive AI, powered cameras, and a massive 6,000 mAh battery that can easily last a full day of heavy use. With a price point of around $600, the Reno14 sits in the mid to upper tier of the market. And while it may not be the absolute performance leader in its class, it manages to strike a rare harmony between practicality, aesthetics, and innovation. Let's break down how this device has held up after extended use. Design-wise, the Reno14 feels elegant and trendy without being flashy. OPPO's velvet glass technology, used here for the first time, gives the back panel a smooth matte finish that resists fingerprints, while reflecting light in subtle iridescent tones through its mermaid core effect. My luminous green unit even features a soft glowing ring around the camera module, adding an extra touch of personality, while the bold AI camera branding on the back feels unnecessary. The overall aesthetic is understated and professional, making it suitable for both office and casual environments. At just 7.42 mm thick and 187 grams, it's relatively light, though the flat-edged frame is less ergonomic over long sessions compared to curved designs. Its IP68 IP69 water resistance is a welcome addition for peace of mind in daily use. And even after a month of going case-free, minor scratches are nearly invisible thanks to the matte finish. The 6.59-inch AMOLED display is a true highlight, with a resolution of 1256 by 2760 pixels 1.5K, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness of 1200 nits. It delivers sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and smooth interactions whether browsing, gaming, or watching movies. The narrow bezels and nearly 90% screen-to-body ratio create an immersive experience, while 3840 Hz PWM dimming ensures comfortable viewing in dimly lit environments. This is a display that easily competes with higher-priced models, especially when it comes to outdoor visibility and HDR content. Cameras have always been a selling point for the Reno series, and the Reno14 takes things further with a triple lens setup. A 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixels telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom and OIS, and an 8-megapixels ultra-wide with autofocus. The telephoto lens is the star, producing crisp, detailed shots with natural depth and strong stability, ideal for portraits or architectural photography. The main camera captures vibrant but not oversaturated colors, maintaining realism with solid HDR handling. In daylight, photos come out sharp with excellent detail, while at night, OPPO's AI processing helps reduce noise, though images can sometimes look slightly artificial. The ultra-wide camera performs decently, keeping color tones consistent with the main lens. Though low-light shots reveal more grain, standout AI features like AI Flash Live Photo, AI Recompose, AI Style Transfer, and AI Editor 2.0 give the Reno14 a creative edge, letting users reframe, stylize, or retouch photos with ease. In terms of performance, the Reno14 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350. Built on a 4nm process, paired with up to 12 GB RAM. Benchmarks position it in the mid to upper range and an AnTuTu score of 1,336,961. Geekbench 6 single-core 1303 and multi-core 3900. And 3DMark Wildlife Peak 9594 with stability at 46.5%. While not the strongest chip in its $600 class compared to rivals from Xiaomi or even Apple's older iPhones, It provides smooth performance for multitasking, everyday apps, and popular games. Thermal control is excellent, with only moderate heat during stress tests, and gaming performance is solid. PUBG Mobile runs smoothly at HDR settings. Arena of Valor plays without stutters, and Genshin Impact is playable at high settings. Though dialing back to medium ensures stability, the Reno14 doesn't aim to be a gaming powerhouse, but it never feels underpowered in daily use. Battery life is the Reno14's biggest strength. Its 6,000 mAh battery easily provides 8 to 10 hours of screen-on time with mixed usage. And thanks to MediaTek's power efficiency, it drains slowly even under heavier loads. Charging is equally impressive, with OPPO's 80W Super VOOC technology, filling the battery from 0 to 100% in just about 47 minutes. For professionals and heavy users, this level of endurance and speed charging is a major convenience that puts the Reno14 ahead of many competitors. In the same price range, after 1 month, the OPPO Reno14 leaves me with the impression of a smartphone that is thoughtfully designed for balance rather than brute force. It may not outmuscle rivals in raw performance, but it excels in battery life, display quality, camera versatility, and everyday usability. If OPPO had priced it slightly lower, it would easily be one of the most compelling mid-premium smartphones on the market. For now, it stands as a stylish, reliable, and long-lasting device that proves OPPO knows how to craft a well-rounded phone that satisfies nearly every type of user.